Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert PDF to Excel. It's very simple and quite easy, so let's get started. So first go to your Microsoft Excel, and on the top, from these options, select Data. Then click on Get Data here, and in the first option, From File, here you will find the option From PDF. Just click on it. Next, choose the PDF file that you want to convert to Excel, and then click on Import here. It takes some time and a pop-up will appear, and here you can see the PDF file pages to select any one. If you want to select multiple pages, then select this option. Select multiple items, and now you can select multiple pages. And then in the Load button here, click on Load To. And then select Table here, and then click on OK, and that's it. Your entire PDF data is imported to your Excel sheet. You can customize it if you want. Then on the top left side here, go to File and save your file. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.